Welcome to sureshbhattclasses. We are solving questions on quantitative aptitude topic fractions. All the topics of quantitative aptitude are useful for many competitive exams like SSC CGL, RRB, Bank PO, Railways, and many government job exams and job interviews. The topics of quantitative aptitude are also useful for many entrance exams like GRE, GMAT, SAT, ACT, CAT, and many more. In this video, we are solving questions on fractions. Our question is, in a class of 72 students, 5/12 students are girls. Find number of boys. The given options are option A 30, option B 34, option C 36, option D 42. Before solving this question, I request you to please subscribe to this channel. This is very easy question. 5/12 are girls. Therefore, 1 minus 5/12, that is 7/12 are boys, and 72 is the total strength. It means 12 equal to 72. Therefore, 7 equal to 42. Or we can solve like this. 72 multiplied by 7 upon 12. 12 times 6 is 72 and 7 times 6 is 42. So 42 are boys. And from the given options, our answer is option D 42. It was very easy question. I hope you have understood the method of solving such type of questions. This was basically an oral question. You could have solved it without writing all these steps. We go to the next question. Our question is, a man traveled 3/8 of his journey and still has to travel 130 kilometers. What is the total distance of his journey in kilometers? The given options are option A 200, option B 208, option C 196, option D 220. Before solving this question, I request you to please subscribe to this channel. Total journey equal to balance journey upon its fraction, and balance journey is how much? 130 kilometers. And what is its fraction? Is 1 minus 3/8. As 3/8 he has already traveled and remaining is 130 kilometers. So it is 1 minus 3/8 is remaining. So this is equal to 130 upon 5/8. 1 minus 3/8 is 5/8. And this comes out to be 130 multiplied by 8 upon 5. 5 cancels 130 for 26 times. And 8 times 26 is 208. 25 times 8 is 200 and 1 times 8 is 8. So it is 200 plus 8 is 208. This is the fast calculation trick for multiplication of 26. And from the given options, our answer is option B 208. This was very easy question. I hope you have understood the method of solving such type of questions. This is the direct solution formula. You can otherwise also solve without using this formula. We go to the next question. Our question is, a man spends 5/9 of his money on travel and 3/7 of remaining on food. He still has $240. What amount he initially had? The given options are option A 1008, option B 896, option C 945, option D 1050. Before solving this question, I request you to please subscribe to this channel. We use the shortcut formula total amount equal to balance amount upon its fraction. So balance amount is 240 and its fraction is he spends 5 upon 9 on travel. So it is 1 minus 5 upon 9, and he also spends 3 upon 7 of remaining on food. So it is again 1 minus 3 upon 7. This is equal to 240 upon 1 minus 5 upon 9 is 4 upon 9 into 1 minus 3 upon 7 is 4 upon 7. This is equal to 240 multiplied by 9 multiplied by 7 upon 4 multiplied by 4. As the denominator of denominator becomes numerator, therefore we have taken 9 and 7 into numerator and 4 multiplied by 4 in denominator. 4 cancels 240 for 60 times and 4 cancels 60 for 15 times. Now we have to multiply 15 by 9 by 7. This is equal to 15 multiplied by 9 multiplied by 7. 15 times 7 is 105 and 105 multiplied by 9. 100 times 9 is 900 and 5 times 9 is 45. So this is equal to 945. So the initial money he had was $945. And from the given options, our answer is option C, $945. I hope you have understood the method of solving such type of questions. Here in this question, 3 upon 7 of remaining is important. So if you keep this thing in mind, then it will be very easy for you to solve such type of questions. We go to the next question. Our question is, a man reads 4 upon 7 of pages of a book on first day, 2 upon 5 of remaining on second day, and 1 upon 2 of remaining on third day. He still has to read 36 pages. What are the total number of pages in the book? The given options are option A 240, option B 305, option C 250, option D 280. Before solving this question, I request you to please subscribe to this channel. Total pages equal to balance pages upon its fraction. This is equal to, the balance pages are 36 pages and its fraction is 1 minus 4 upon 7, which he read on first day, and 2 upon 5 of remaining is on second day. So it is 1 minus 2 upon 5, and half of remaining on third day. So it is 1 minus 1 upon 2. So this is equal to 36 upon 1 minus 4 upon 7 is 3 upon 7 multiplied by 1 minus 2 upon 5 is 3 upon 5 multiplied by 1 minus 1 upon 2 is 1 upon 2. This is equal to 36 multiplied by 7 multiplied by 5 multiplied by 2 upon 3 multiplied by 3. The denominator of denominator becomes numerator. Therefore, we have written it as 36 multiplied by 7 multiplied by 5 multiplied by 2. And the denominator is 3 multiplied by 3. So 3 times 3 is 9. And 9 cancels 36 for 4 times. So this is equal to 4 multiplied by 7 multiplied by 5 multiplied by 2. 7 times 4 is 28, and 28 multiplied by 5 multiplied by 2. 5 multiplied by 2 is 10. and 28 times 10 is 280. So total number of pages in the book are 280 pages. And from the given options, our answer is option D, 280 pages. I hope you have understood the method of solving such type of questions. We go to the next question. Our question is, a man spends 3 upon 7 of his income on food, 1 upon 3 on education, 1 upon 6 on rent. He still has $450 left with him. Find his income. The given options are option A, 6,500, option B, 7,200, option C, 5,800, option D, 6,300. Before solving this question, I request you to please subscribe to this channel. The final remaining fraction we can find 1 minus 3 upon 7 he spends on food plus 1 upon 3 on education plus 1 upon 6 on rent. So this is equal to the LCM of 7, 3 and 6 is 42. So in place of 1 we write 42 as 1 divides 42 for 42 times. Therefore it is 42 minus 7 divides 42 for 6 times and 6 times 3 is 18 plus 3 divides 42 for 14 times. So it is 14 plus 6 divides 42 for 7 times. 18 plus 14 is 32 plus 7 is 39 and 42 minus 39 is 3. So this is 3 upon 42. This is the fraction of remaining amount and total income equal to balance amount or remaining amount upon its fraction, and this is equal to the balance amount he has is $450 upon 3 upon 42. This is equal to 450 multiplied by 42 upon 3. 3 cancels 450 for 150 times. Now 150 multiplied by 42. We put 0 of 150. Now we multiply 15 and 42. The 10 times of 42 is 420 and half of 420 is 210. 210 plus 420 is 630. So the total amount he earns is $6,300. And from the given options, our answer is option D, $6,300. I hope you have understood the method of solving such type of questions. We go to the next question. Our question is, a man spends 1 upon 7 of his income on food, 1 upon 5 on rent, and 1 upon 4 of remaining on clothes. He still has $2,760. Find his income. The given options are option A, 4,800, option B, 5,600, option C, 5,800, option D, 4,250. Before solving this question, I request you to please subscribe to this channel. We have to find the balanced fraction which will be equivalent to 2,760. First he spends 1 upon 7 of his income on food and 1 upon 5 on rent and 1 upon 4 of remaining on clothes. So first we will find the portion which is independent fraction. That will be 1 minus 1 upon 7 plus 1 upon 5. This is independent fraction. And 1 upon 4 is dependent fraction because it is depending on the remaining part of the previous fractions. So we write it as 1 minus 1 upon 4. So this is equal to the LCM of 7 and 5 is 35. 1 divides 35 for 35 times. So it is 35 minus 7 times 5 is 35. So I write 5 plus 5 times 7 is 35. So I write 7. So this is equal to 35 minus 5 plus 7 upon 35 into 1 minus 1 upon 4 is 3 upon 4. And this is equal to 5 plus 7 is 12. 35 minus 12 is 23 upon 35 multiplied by 3 upon 4. Now we know the formula. Total income equal to balance amount upon its fraction equal to. The balance amount is 2760 and its fraction is 23 upon 35 multiplied by 3 upon 4, and this is equal to 2760 multiplied by 35 multiplied by 4 upon 23 times 3. 3 cancels 2760. 3 divides 27 for 9 times and 3 divides 6 for 2 times and 0. So 3 divides 2760 for 920 times and 23 divides 920 for 40 times. So this is equal to 40 multiplied by 35 times 4 is 140 and 14 times 4 is 56 and we put 2 zeros, so it is 5600. So his total income comes out to be 5600, and from the given options our answer is option B, $5,600. I hope you have understood the method of solving such type of questions. If you still have any difficulty, please go to the part 1 of fractions in quantitative aptitude playlist, which is basic introduction of fractions, in which you will find all the shortcut formulas and the concepts of fractions. We go to the next question. Our question is, a man travels 5 upon 7 of his journey. 2 upon 3 of remaining is 28 kilometers. What is the total distance of journey? The given options are option A 147, option B 156, option C 194, option D 185. Before solving this question, I request you to please subscribe to this channel. What is the remaining part? He has already travelled 5 upon 7 of his journey. So remaining part is 1 minus 5 upon 7 is equal to 2 upon 7. And 2/3 of this remaining part is 28 kilometers. So we first find the 2/3 of 2 upon 7. So 2 upon 7 multiplied by 2 upon 3. This is equal to 4 upon 21. And this part equal to 28 kilometers. So our formula is the total part equal to balance part upon its fraction. And this is equal to 28 is the balance distance and its fraction is 4 upon 21. This is equal to 28 multiplied by 21 upon 4, and 4 divides 28 for 7 times, and 21 times 7 is 147. So this is 147 kilometers. This is the total distance of the journey. And from the given options, our answer is option A, 147 kilometers. I hope you have understood the method of solving such type of questions. We go to the next question. Our question is, an NGO distributes 5/7 of total wheat among beneficiaries. 1/3 of distributed wheat was given to females. The quantity given to males was 500 kg. What was the total quantity of wheat in kgs? The given options are option A 1200, option B 1050, option C 1450, option D 1140. Before solving this question, I request you to please subscribe to this channel. The fraction given to males is equal to 5/7 multiplied by 1 minus 1/3. As 1/3 portion is given to females, so 1 minus 1/3 is 2/3 of 5/7 was given to males. So this is equal to 5/7 multiplied by 2/3. Total quantity equal to quantity given to males upon its fraction, and this is equal to 500 upon 5/7 multiplied by 2/3, and this is equal to 500 multiplied by 7 multiplied by 3 upon 5 multiplied by 2. 5 multiplied by 2 is 10, and 10 cancels 500 for 50 times, and 7 times 3 is 21. 21 times 5 is 105, and we put 1 0 after 105, so this becomes 1050 kgs. This was the total quantity of wheat, and from the given options, our answer is option B, 1050 kgs of wheat was with NGO. I hope you have understood the method of solving such type of questions. Here completes this video. Please like, share and subscribe to this channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon to get the latest notifications. Thanks for watching.